Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Engines in the big UK, the absolute miserable weather UK, so we're jealous of all you guys in Australia, in the Caribbean. Well guys, it's taken us absolutely years and years and years to find the perfect affordable workshop, and we've had to travel a few miles. We're now based in Huddersfield, but as car park has now got full security all the way around, along with LED lighting, CCTV which is connected to the internet. Also motion detectors, so we know that customers' vehicles are going to be safe. Come and have a look guys, come and have a look, because this place is full of tricks. We're just on the outskirts of the city centre of Huddersfield, but it only takes us 20 minutes from Bradford. So we're not quite sure what we're going to do with this side of the unit at the moment. It's a bit of a doer-upper. What the beauty about this place is, absolutely brilliant, is non-paying customers. I've got a surprise for you guys, come on. Those of you that want to come and not pay your bill and drive away with the spare key, we're now.
It's cold.
Are you alright down there?
Oh, thank God, Jay's here.
Yes? You warm? You okay?
Oh, it's so cold.
You gonna try and get out paying your bill again?
No, I swear.
You promise?
Promise.
I'll let you out. Come on, how are you gonna pay? Card or cash? Finally paying these bills. What people will do for 15 quid, guys, beyond me. Right, so this is just one side of it. What we're eventually going to do is we use this for the parts department. This is potentially, well, we don't quite know what we're going to do with this bit. But there's the office, kitchen area around there for a cuppa, toilet area. But what's even better about this place, guys, is the actual workshop itself. Come on through, come on through. Anyone knows me, we're always passionate about having clean floors, and they're absolutely perfect hard-wearing floors. Now, what I really like about this place is it's really quirky. We've got this to turn into a workshop, and beyond that shutter door, we've actually got our own garden where we intend to, we've been talking to people right across the world where we can send 60-foot containers full of parts. That isn't an issue, and yeah, so we've got lots of great plans here, and we're really looking forward to it as a family-run business. So it's a big thank you for all the support that you guys have been giving us over the years. We really appreciate it, and we've got some fantastic videos to share with you in the future, both educational and, well, whatever we learn new about Nissan, because it's not always been good news for everyone around the world who's been a Nissan owner. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you pay your bill or else you're going in the well. And all I can say is subscribe for more. We'll keep you updated. Find us on Facebook. If you need my help, assistance at all, please feel free to give me a call on 01274 029 809. You can email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. Give us a like and come again. Yeah, City drew this weekend. First, I think we lost the last day. I think I might start some more in Huddersfield.
I may as well, now we're here.
You know. Oh, you know that guy that we shoved out well the other day?
Oh yeah.
Did you let him out? Shit!